We are just days away from the start of Officer Cesar Goodson's trial, and today a judge makes some crucial decisions. Goodson is the second officer to be tried in the death of Freddie Gray, and he is facing the most serious charges. WJZ investigator Mike Helgren is live at Courthouse East downtown with more on the rulings and what they mean. Mike?
Oh, no big surprises yet, Jessica. The judge ruled that Officer Goodson's trial will stay in Baltimore, that the jurors will be anonymous but not sequestered, and that some information about Freddie Gray's past, including his medical record, could be admissible. He'll decide as the trial progresses. Jury selection for Officer Cesar Goodson Jr. begins Monday. But today, the judge is deciding a number of issues before the trial starts. Goodson faces the most serious charge of all the officers indicted in the death of Freddie Gray while in police custody last April. He was driving the van when prosecutors say Gray suffered the spinal injury that killed him.
Officer Goodson, in a grossly negligent manner.
State's Attorney Marilyn Mosby charged Goodson with second-degree depraved heart murder, which carries a possible 30-year prison sentence. Among the pretrial motions, should his trial stay in Baltimore? Officer Goodson's defense argues he can't get a fair trial here. Will the judge allow jurors to hear about Freddie Gray's medical record, including a prior back problem? That could raise doubt about whether Goodson's failure to get medical help was truly the cause of Gray's death. Also, will jurors hear about Gray's past criminal record, including accusations he faked injuries? And the issue that could be most critical, will the judge force Officer William Porter to testify? Porter's case had a mistrial last month. His lawyers said Goodson had the main responsibility to get Gray medical help. Prosecutors called Porter a liar and plan to retry him, yet want to make Porter testify against Officer Goodson. But they only offered Porter a limited type of immunity, that his statements would not be used against him in this next trial. Porter's attorneys argue forcing him to testify now would go against his Fifth Amendment right not to incriminate himself. And at 2 o'clock today, court will resume, and that's when the judge will make a decision about whether Officer Porter will be made to testify or perhaps found in contempt. Back to you.
All right, Mike, thank you. And please stay with WJZ for the very latest on the trial of Officer Cesar Goodson. We'll have the very latest on whether or not Officer Porter will testify coming up at 4, 5, and 6.